Today I'm packaging an order for Amber, one of my returning customers who has literally been supporting Maya's Lip Bar since 2019. She has been with me from the very beginning, always cheering on my business, and I appreciate her so much. Amber ordered our Silken Desire body oil and the Luxe Lash and Brow Elixir, two of my best sellers. Amber doesn't even know how much her support has meant to me over the years. When orders were slow, she still showed up. When I updated my formula, she was the first one to try it. When I launched new products, she bought them without hesitation. People like her are the reason small businesses make it. Consistent support. Thank you, Amber, for being a returning, loyal customer. And thank you to everyone watching. Please don't sleep on Maya's Lip Bar.